Alright, so as you saw by the video name, we are putting on the new 12-volt alternator for the coupe. I'm pretty sure it's a 90 amp. Just took the old original generator off. It's just a bolt down here that bolts in right here. So I still have the original belt. It's the belt that came with it. So for this kit, I got it from Mike's Model A's. So it comes with the adjuster up there, this bracket, which will bolt right here, and then the new alternator goes right to the top. Then I'll show you how to run the wires. It's the ultimate Model A alternator kit. So I'm just getting ready to put this one on. Just simple, it's a one wire kit. It just goes right there, goes straight to the battery. But it's a nice, it was 250 bucks I think from Mike's. So it should be it was either 90 amp or 120, but it should be good because I have the new LED headlights in and the touchscreen and stuff. So I want to make sure everything stays charging. So I'll start it after everything's hooked up. So yeah. Got the bracket bolted on, it goes right here. It's actually a nice kit. It just bolts right in here. Then there's another bolt, I think it's like a 9/16 bolt and nut up there. It comes with lock washers. This was like I think this was 1/2 inch here, and then you just take that one cover bolt off and then the bracket fits right in. And then this is adjustable, it's set now, it's nice. I'll show you the video of it running. And then it's just a one wire, and then I ran it in here into the frame rail right up to the starter, and it charges well. It charges at, it's like 14.2 at idle, or 13.9 maybe, just at idle. It's got to be at 2,000 RPMs before it could charge. That's on every single startup. That's just what the magazine said. Other than that, it's 260 bucks on Mike's Model A's. It is a 90 amp, but it works really well. So alright, the next video will probably be hooking up more of the lights. I do have the switch panel with the headlights hooked up. I tried to make some videos, but doing wiring and stuff is kind of hard to record. And then for the blinkers, I have one more wire to pull out here, and then I gotta order another light from Amazon with 3 wires for a running light and blinkers, because I'm making my own harness, so I don't have the right flashers and stuff. I just got a toggle switch for the blinker with a flasher, and then gotta run both sides for that. So alright, see you in the next one.